In this video, I will show with you step by step how to find N26 IBAN number. So friends, if you want to find your IBAN, follow me in this guide. Go to Google, search for N26 IBAN, click the first website here, this one, and then scroll down. You will see this page. From here, click IBAN calculator, and then scroll down. You will see the country. Choose your country, for example, Germany. So from bank codes, write your BRZ codes. You can copy this like this code, and then you can use this list of bank account number. After that, click calculate your IBAN, and then you will see your IBAN here. It is easy steps, and you can through these steps find your IBAN. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video. You can use on this website bank codes to check your codes on this one, and then you can calculate your IBAN. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video.